know that deaf people still listen to music? They feel the vibrations being produced by the music.
In Ms. Schuchter's class, we learn sign language. We use sign language in our classroom every single day. We sign our whole morning routine and throughout the day. There are some days we use sign language the entire morning. Today we are going to teach you a little bit about American Sign Language and show you a few signs you can try. Then we are going to perform a song for you in sign language.
American Sign Language, also known as ASL, is a complex language that uses signs made by moving the hands combined with facial expressions and postures of the body. It is the primary language of many North Americans who are deaf and is one of several communication options used by people who are deaf or hard of hearing.
Basically, ASL is a way for deaf people to talk to each other by using their hands, face, and body.
If you watched the Super Bowl, you may have seen someone signing the national anthem as it was being sung. This is because deaf people also love watching games like you and me.
Did you see how animated she was? American Sign Language uses not only your hands, but a lot of facial expressions in your entire body.
This is how you say hello. Notice how Sammy has a flat palm and her thumb in as she moves it to the side.
Nice to meet you has 3 signs. The first sign is open palm, similar to a B but open palm. It is going to be nice. The second sign is to meet. You're going to stick your index fingers up and close your fists. These represent 2 people meeting, so these 2 people are meeting. So let's try those 2 parts together. Nice to meet. Nice to meet.
Now turn to the person sitting next to you and greet them in sign language. Here's the sign for yes. Close your hand into a palm and put the thumb in front of the closed thumb. Try it. And it's just like you're knocking.
Here's the sign for no. Put 2 fingers out and stick out your thumb. Now close them quickly.
Did you laugh today? Yes or no?
Do you like sports? Yes or no? Did you thank a teacher today? Yes or no?
If you happen to catch yourself in the no category, let us help you out. We'll show you how to say thank you in sign language. Now, you can thank your teacher right now.
Do you like dogs? So we'll show you the sign for dog.
It is 2 gentle slaps on your thigh and 2 snaps quickly. You try.
This is a sign for sorry. Circle S clockwise on chest. This is the sign for please. It is similar to the sign for sorry. Rub right palm clockwise against chest.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send